PayPal error code 104117, often displayed as transaction cannot complete, signifies a declined transaction. This usually occurs due to issues with your account, funding source, or PayPal's security measures. Let's explore why this happens and how to fix it. One common cause of PayPal error 1047 is blocked or expired payment methods. When your linked credit cards or bank accounts are inactive or outdated, transactions cannot complete. Expired payment methods can prevent payments from going through. For example, if your credit card has reached its expiration date, PayPal cannot process the transaction. To resolve this, update any outdated card details directly in your PayPal wallet through the app or website. This ensures your payment information remains current. Additionally, PayPal may block a payment method if it detects suspicious activity or potential fraud. In such cases, the payment will fail and you'll see an error message. PayPal's risk thresholds, also known as velocity limits, help prevent fraud by restricting how many transactions or how much money you can process in a given time period. For example, you might be limited to a certain number of payments per day or a maximum dollar amount per week. This protects both users and the platform from suspicious activity. If you exceed these velocity limits, such as making too many transactions too quickly, PayPal may block the transaction and show error code 104117, indicating the transaction cannot complete. This error can impact payment volumes and transaction activity, as shown in these metrics. To resolve it and check your specific limits, contact PayPal support directly. Sometimes, PayPal error 104117 occurs due to issues with the merchant's PayPal integration. This happens when the merchant's website or system doesn't properly connect with PayPal's servers. Merchants use PayPal's APIs to integrate payment processing into their websites. This flowchart shows the standard checkout flow where APIs manage the connection between the buyer's approval and the merchant capturing the payment. Incorrect API configurations, such as wrong API keys or improper webhook settings, can prevent transactions from completing. This is a common merchant-side error that blocks the payment flow. Another merchant-side issue is geographic restrictions. Some merchant accounts have limits based on location or currency, as shown in this PayPal limits page. If a buyer is in a restricted area, the transaction will fail. This screen shows a typical payment failure due to system errors, which could stem from merchant API problems. However, if you encounter this error repeatedly with different merchants, it suggests the issue is with your PayPal account setup rather than the merchant. When you encounter PayPal error 14117, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that can often resolve temporary glitches. First, log out of your PayPal account completely and then log back in. This simple action refreshes your session and can clear temporary authentication issues. Second, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes stored data that might be causing conflicts with PayPal's website. Third, if the problem continues, try using PayPal from a different web browser or device. This can help identify and bypass any browser-specific or device-related issues. These basic troubleshooting steps can often resolve the temporary glitches that cause PayPal error 10417. If the issue continues after trying these, you may need to explore additional solutions. When troubleshooting PayPal error 10417, start by verifying your account details. Ensure all your information is accurate and up to date to prevent security flags that can cause transaction failures. Check these key details in your PayPal account: your name, address, phone number, and email address. Any discrepancies in your account information can trigger PayPal's security systems, leading to transaction errors like error 10417. Adding or updating funding sources in your PayPal wallet is a key step to resolve error 10417. By providing alternative payment options, you can prevent declines when your primary source is unavailable. First, access your PayPal wallet through the app or website. Look for the Wallet tab to view your current balance and linked accounts. Next, add a new funding source like a credit card or bank account. Select the option to link a card or bank and enter the required information securely. Finally, verify that the billing address for your new funding source exactly matches the address associated with your PayPal account. This is crucial to avoid mismatches that could trigger the error. By adding multiple funding sources and ensuring address accuracy, you create backup options that help prevent transaction failures. If the error persists after trying the basic troubleshooting steps we discussed earlier, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your account details and transaction history. You can access PayPal's support through their Help Center, where you'll find options like the Resolution Center or Contact Us section shown here. To get the most efficient help, be prepared to provide transaction details, such as the transaction ID, amount, and date, along with your account information like email and account ID. PayPal has been enhancing its fraud prevention through advanced AI systems since mid-2025. These AI tools analyze transactions in real time to detect suspicious patterns and reduce fraudulent activity. The system follows a continuous cycle, collecting transaction data, applying AI and machine learning analysis, making real-time decisions, and learning from outcomes to improve accuracy. Since the 2025 rollout, this AI system has reduced false transaction declines by 12% for verified accounts. Despite these improvements, the system can sometimes flag legitimate transactions as suspicious, leading to error 1047 and payment rejections. PayPal's overall transaction health shows an approval rate of 98.9%, with declines at just 1.1%, demonstrating the effectiveness of these AI improvements. Looking ahead, PayPal's AI investments are expected to reduce payment errors by 30% by 2028 through continued machine learning advancements. The PayPal mobile app, version 8.5 and later, released in late 2025, now includes in-app troubleshooting wizards specifically designed for error 10417. These interactive guides walk users through common solutions, such as checking account limits or connecting alternative funding sources like additional bank accounts or cards. This enhancement has significantly improved user experience, with resolution rates reaching 75% without needing to contact customer service, based on recent app analytics. Make use of this built-in feature for a smoother and faster way to resolve transaction issues. Regulatory changes, such as the EU's Digital Markets Act, have significantly influenced PayPal's policies on cross-border transactions. These updates aim to improve transparency and reduce errors related to international payments. Users in the EU now receive more detailed error explanations. PayPal's integration of cryptocurrency options, such as stablecoins, provides an alternative funding source that bypasses traditional bank restrictions. This was introduced in 2025, allowing users to link cryptocurrencies like USD Coin for payments. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets such as the US dollar. Examples include USDC, DT, and DAI. By using crypto for transactions, users can sometimes reduce the occurrence of error 10417, particularly in regions with volatile currencies. According to reports, this has led to a 10% reduction in error 1417 rates for crypto-enabled users. The future of payment processing involves increased reliance on AI and automation. PayPal's 2025 AI overhaul uses advanced algorithms to detect suspicious transactions in real time, significantly reducing false positives and error rates. Experts predict this could lead to a 30% reduction in errors by 2028. However, it's crucial to address potential biases in AI systems. Algorithms may unfairly flag low-risk users or discriminate based on historical data patterns. PayPal and other platforms must ensure fair treatment for all users through regular bias audits and diverse training data. Looking ahead, experts predict error rates could drop to 5% by 2030, driven by blockchain-based settlement systems and continued AI advancements. This evolution promises more secure and efficient payments, but requires ongoing vigilance to maintain trust and equity. During the 2025 Black Friday sales, a major retailer on Shopify experienced a 40% spike in error 10417 due to overwhelmed PayPal servers and account velocity limits. PayPal implemented emergency protocols to temporarily lift velocity limits, enabling $500 million in additional transactions. This case underscores the need for scalable infrastructure in high-traffic events like Black Friday sales. This case study examines a common issue faced by freelancers using PayPal for payments. Consider a freelance graphic designer working remotely. They complete a project and attempt to receive payment through PayPal. However, the payment fails repeatedly with error 10417. The root cause is a freeze on their bank account, triggered by suspected fraudulent activity. After verifying their identity through PayPal's identity confirmation tools, the issue is resolved. This illustrates the importance of keeping payment methods updated and addressing potential fraud concerns promptly to prevent payment delays. A 2025 World Bank study examined how migrant workers use PayPal for cross-border transfers. The research revealed that error ETL 417 occurred in about 15% of these transactions, most often caused by currency exchange restrictions and regulatory barriers in different countries. One notable case involved a Filipino worker trying to send $1,000 to support family abroad. The payment was blocked by error 11417 because of currency exchange restrictions in the recipient's country. PayPal responded by refunding all fees and offering a solution through their Currency Converter Plus tool. This alternative routing allowed the transfer to complete successfully, demonstrating PayPal's commitment to resolving international payment issues. Fintech experts emphasize proactive measures to prevent error 10417. PayPal CTO John Rainey states that the error is largely preventable with better user onboarding and AI, advocating for education over reactive fixes. Financial analyst Karen Webster urges platforms to adopt frictionless payment models like biometric authentication, which could reduce transaction declines by 25%. Payment errors like 10417 have a significant economic impact. According to a 2025 Juniper research report, global payment errors cost e-commerce businesses $50 billion annually in lost revenue. This staggering figure highlights the importance of reliable payment systems. PayPal-specific data from 2026 shows that 22% of users encounter error 1417 at least once a year. This widespread occurrence underscores the need for ongoing platform improvements to enhance reliability and user trust. In 2025, PayPal processed 17.5 billion transactions, with errors like 1,417 contributing to a 0.8% failure rate. This represents a decline from 1.2% in 2024, showing progress in payment reliability. Experts predict this failure rate will continue to fall, reaching 0.5% by 2028 through advancements in AI and automation. These statistics emphasize the critical need for continuous innovation in digital payment systems. To summarize resolving error 1417, there are 5 key steps to follow. First, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds available. Second, verify your payment methods by confirming that your linked cards or bank accounts are active and not blocked. Third, address any account holds by resolving issues related to suspicious activity through PayPal's verification process. Fourth, if the problem continues, contact PayPal support for personalized help and guidance. Finally, stay informed about PayPal's latest policies and updates to prevent encountering this error again. For the most up-to-date information and troubleshooting tips, refer to PayPal's official help center and blogs. Error codes and resolution methods can evolve, so staying informed is essential for a smooth payment experience. The developer portal provides resources for API integrations and troubleshooting. When you encounter errors like the one shown, check for updates on handling them. PayPal's official resources offer promotions and guides to help you stay current. Check PayPal's help center and blogs regularly for the latest updates.